2018 Tesla Model 3. Everything. The Tesla Model 3 represents the automaker's first effort to build an affordable sedan for the mainstream consumer. The Tesla Model 3 slots below the full-size Model S sedan and three-row Model 10 crossover, where the Model S sedan features a rear hatch with available rear jump seats for up to 7 passengers. The Model 3 is a traditional 5-seat sedan. Although Tesla has and divulged full specs about the new Model 3 sedan, the automaker has made a few claims about its more affordable model. Pricing for the Model 3 is said to start at $35,000 before government incentives. In contrast, the base rear-drive Tesla Model S60 starts around $70,000. Tesla says the Model 3 sedan will have a 215-mile range and accelerate to 60 mph in less than 6 seconds. The 5-seat sedan is also said to have been designed to earn a 5-star safety rating. Other features include autopilot hardware and the ability to use the company's supercharger network designed for the Model S. Inside, the Model 3 features a simplified interior compared to the Model S and Model 10 vehicles. In production-ready models, expect a large center-mounted horizontal screen replacing both the driver information display and the vertical infotainment screen used in automaker current models.